Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. I'm James, and today on the dyno we've got something really special. It's this Ford F100 from 1953. Well, I say from 1953, some of it is absolutely incredible and really high tech. It's also been fitted with a Chevy V8 with a turbocharger. So we have no idea what this is going to run, so we're going to put it on the dyno and find out. So we've just run it on the dyno and the figures are astronomical. This thing is running 570 brake horsepower with, wait for it, 1200 newton meters of torque. And they want to put another turbo on it. I can't wait to see what it does then.